Buyer beware. Norwood Sawmill purchased January of this year for $14,000. We knew it was going to be on back order, and it was. It came in like April. But when I say it came, only maybe
half of it.
Yeah, only half of it. And so Dad put it together. But we didn't know yet that it was only half of it. Put it together, all excited that we were going to be able to start milling up all this wood that we've collected. So, but only half of it came. We've contacted customer service.
No reply,
They
nothing.
Took the list of what's missing, but now they won't answer us to let us know what's happening now. When should we expect it to come? We've called, we've emailed. I've even contacted them on their Facebook. Now we're getting fed up. So we just want people to know, if you order a Norwood Sawmill, you can expect for $14,000 to get that metal that really does nothing except for have grass grow around it because it can't be used. So buyer beware.